This is Hydeaway. She's a 59-foot 4-inch cruiser stern narrowboat, built in 2008 by Piper Boats. Double set of side doors there with hatches over. Solar on the roof. Paintwork is in great condition. It was repainted about 10 years ago now by Steve Furness and still looks good today. Propulsion is by a Beta Marine 43 horsepower diesel engine. There is also a bow thruster which can be operated remotely, which is handy when you're in locks. We'll go and take a look on board. Stepping down from the cruiser stern into the electrical cupboard, Victron 3 kilowatt inverter charger. As I said, there's also solar on the roof with an MPPT controller. On the starboard side is your header tank and a really handy utility area at the aft. Washer, dryer. Separate compartment with a cassette toilet, also great for storage, hanging up wet clothes, etc. Or you could use it as an ensuite. Into the bedroom, there's a cross bed, double bed there, 6'3" by 4'5". There's also a large wardrobe with plenty of storage. Into the shower room. Pump out toilet in here. Quadrant shower with laminate linings. Hot water is heated by the Webasto diesel boiler, engine and immersion. Into the galley, you've got this lovely set of side doors either side of the boat with steps, handy access out onto the towpath, whichever side you're moored. Nice walk-through galley, that's a 12-volt compact freezer. Corian worktops, microwave, there's a 12-volt under-counter fridge and gas cooking. Into the saloon, cosy saloon, comfy sofa and a lock gates diesel stove. Nice table in the well deck for alfresco dining. So this boat's been used as a liveaboard for the last 10 years and she is certainly set up for liveaboard life. She's moored down in Newbury. All the specification and the full details can be downloaded in a brochure from our website www.abnb.co.uk.